dry, wet. Tell me which one you think is the best. Welcome everyone. Today I am going to use MAC Studio Fix Plus Powder Foundation, dry on my left, which will be your right when watching this video, and wet on my right, which will be your left when watching this video. Tell me what you think in the comments. We start now. MAC NW45 dry on my left. I'm using a Real Techniques brush. Now I'm just brushing it off with the same brush. And this is MAC Studio Fix Plus Press Powder Foundation NW45. This is a dry. To apply the MAC Powder Foundation wet, I'm going to use my IT Cosmetic brush and I'm going to spray it with some setting spray. I spray the brush and I'm just distributing all that spray so the brush is wet evenly. MAC NW45 dry. I'm going to use it wet on my right, which will be your left. I take the same brush and I'm just brushing off, making sure everything is in order. MAC Studio Fix NW45 Press Powder Foundation. On my right, your left, I use it wet. On my left, which will be your right, I used it dry. Can you see a difference? Let me know if you can see a difference between the dry and the wet. This is what it looks like. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you kindly. Please hype this video, share it with someone else. And until I see you and you see me, today's encouraging motivational word is, I create habits that empowers me. I create habits that empowers me. I pray that you create habits that empower you. Bye.